Finally, the wait is over and Kimi launched its most powerful model, Kimi 2.6. Why is it considered the most powerful tool for developers, and why does it compare with GPT 5.4 and Claude Opus 4.7? Let's find out in this video. And welcome back to ProCoder09. Let's get straight into it. To understand why everyone is hyping up Kimi 2.6, you have to look under the hood. This isn't just a basic text generator, it's a massive 1.1 trillion parameter open source beast. But its real superpower is its agentic swarm architecture. When you give standard model a massive coding task, then they try to spit it out or linearly or often crash or hallucinate. Kimi 2.6 dynamically break your prompt down and spin up to 300 parallel sub-agents. It coordinates up to 4000 steps per run. You can dump over 100 files into 256K context window, and it will debug, refactor, and write code concurrently like a full-time senior engineer team. But how does it actually hold up against the titans like GPT 5.4 or Claude Opus 4.7? I ran a brutal front-end stress test. I asked all three models to architect a modern React application utilizing advanced GSAP scroll animations, complex framer motion page transition, and utility classes in Tailwind CSS. Claude Opus 4.7 is great, but it burns through your API limit fast. GPT 5.4 write good logic but sometimes overcomplicates the animation timelines. Kimi 2.6 absolutely nailed it because of its deep reasoning capabilities. It correctly isolated the state logic from the GSAP timelines on the very first try. On SWE benchmarks, it is going toe to toe with Opus 4.7 and easily outperforming Gemini 3.0 Pro. And here is the absolute knockout punch, the price. If you are running autonomous workflow on Claude Opus 4.7, you are paying a premium around $25 per million output tokens. Kimi 2.6 is giving you that exact same top tier performance for less than $1 per million input tokens and just $4 per million output token. It completely changes the economic of building AI apps. Now, API pricing is great for production, but what if you want to use this model for your daily local development without spending a single penny? In my very next video, I am going to show you exactly how to bypass the API and use Kimi 2.6 completely for free on your local machine using Ollama, and how to integrate it directly into Claude Code for an autonomous terminal workflow. You absolutely don't want to miss that. So make sure to subscribe to us and turn your notification right now. Have you ever tested Kimi 2.6? Let me know in the comment section how to compare to your current workflow. Also, a quick update for the community. If you are a business owner or startup looking to build high converting web applications, implementing custom workflows, or if you need a professional graphic designer or digital marketer, my digital agency InnoSpark Media is currently taking on new clients. So make sure to check out that as well. And if you need any help, just let me know. You can schedule a call as well. So see you in the next video. Happy coding.